Hey guys, we are going to use the Wax Graphene ceramic paste wax. So what I did, just because it was stiff, the applicator that came with the kit, I got it a little bit wet. Just so it doesn't, well, I think it's a little much. So we're gonna just kind of spread this out a bit. It says to do one section at a time and then buff off when it gets to a haze. So for the video purpose, we will do half the hood or bonnet depending on where you're from. And it's going on rather nice. I do like it. It smells okay. I can't quite place it. It's almost like that mango scent that they typically have. Okay. Notice I'm going left to right, up and down, and that's just to ensure an even coverage with overlapping passes. And they do provide a microfiber towel with it. Okay, so we'll let this haze up and then we'll do a comparison. All right, we got our provided microfiber and we are going to remove the haziness. It comes off super easy. Of course, you got the wiper blade, washer fluid thing. Do a final buff on it. Not much of a difference, but it can always be better. I do think that we'll have to let it fully bond before we can actually tell. So I'm gonna do the whole vehicle and get back to you guys on how she looks. All right, so I put this all over the Jeep. I just finished it. Due to the temperatures, it took a while for it to haze, but it's still easy on, easy off. Don't put this on too thick. You don't need a lot. With one pass on this, which I accidentally took too much earlier in the video, it did almost the whole Jeep. I did have to dip it in a couple of times towards the end, but so I guess now we're gonna take a look and see how we are looking with the entire Jeep done. If I can get the lights to work. And yeah, of course, light goes out, flickers. So we'll just go to the back end. Here we go on the rear. It's much more reflective in person than it is on the video. Also, it's red, so it's gonna be a tough call on this. But even with the flickery light, and again, I apologize for that, it's still very, very shiny, reflective, glossy. smooth. My garage smells nice. I even used the, there we go. Damn it. Okay, I even used the acrylic graphene tire shine on the Jeep. So now she's officially ready for protection. Hopefully summer comes soon, because I would like to get some really good photos and videos of the work. And yeah, so we'll update on hydrophobic properties as time goes on. Thanks for watching.